dog.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name.
E for elephant.
Vince is having a wash. Splash, splash.
F for fish.
And two fish. Three and
G for grapes.
get grape. Go Lord over.
H for hen. I for ice cream.
Cream ice cream, yum, yum, yum. Ice
J for jug.
from which you pour liquid.
K for kite.
A kite, fly a kite, fly a.
L for lion.
Daddy finger, what's your name? What I am, what I am.
M for monkey.
Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and
N for nest.
The bird's nest. Nest.
O for orange.
orange, orange, soft.
P for peacock.
Then what do I see? A peacock dancing just for me.
Q for queen.
The queen.
R for rabbit.
Hop, 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 little bunnies, hop, 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 little bunnies, hop, hop, hop.
S for strawberry.
Very good strawberries, scrummy strawberries. We love them very.
T for tiger.
Dance do 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 do. The tiger dance do 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 do. That's the tiger.
U for umbrella.
Have a big umbrella which saves me from.
V for van.
Go round and round, all through the camp.
The doors on.
W for watch. X for Xmas tree.
Very pretty, oh my Xmas tree looks sweet.
Y for yak. Z for zebra.
I'm a zebra known for my stripes. By them I'm uniquely
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.